Hi, I'm Mark Albero, General Manager of PAC Strapping Products. We'd like to welcome you to our virtual trade show booth. We hope that you find our videos and presentations helpful and informative as you go into your new needs for strapping products. Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for joining us today at PAC Strapping Products. My name is Ed Brownlee, and I'm our National Sales Manager. Since 1982, PAC Strapping has been manufacturing and supplying many products for the strapping industry. I want to take the opportunity today to show you how to apply strapping manually 3 different ways with 4 different types of strapping. Polypropylene strapping, polyester strapping, woven polyester cord strapping, and composite strapping. So let's get started with the most basic way of applying plastic strapping, and that's with a wire buckle. Before I do that, let me explain one key term to you, and that's joint efficiency. Joint efficiency is the term we use when explaining how strong the joint is that's holding the 2 pieces of strap together. This is often referred to as a percentage of the overall break strength of the strapping. Wire and plastic buckles. Wire buckles come in a variety of widths, wire diameters, and finishes. Picking the right buckle will depend on the size and type of plastic strapping being used. In the following video, you will see polypropylene strapping being applied using a wire buckle and manual tensioner.
Take the free end of the strap, the end coming off the dispenser, and make a loop of about 6 inches. Thread the loop through the back of the buckle and around the leg or tine. Wrap the strap around your package and repeat the loop and thread process. Holding strap firmly, pull tightly on the end still attached to the coil until the strap is tight. Cut the strap. You can also use a manual tensioner to pull the strap tight.
Wire buckles can also be used to apply both composite strapping and woven cord strapping. We recommend using a phosphated coated buckle with woven strapping, and we recommend using a galvanized buckle with composite strapping. The surfaces on these buckles help to enhance the joint efficiency in these applications. The one strap that cannot be used with a buckle is extruded polyester strapping. It's too rigid to thread through the buckle and therefore is not appropriate to use with a wire buckle. The joint efficiency using a wire buckle is relatively low, usually in the 40 to 50% range of the overall break strength of the strapping. In the case of heavy-duty applications, using a phosphate or a galvanized buckle will increase the joint efficiency. Next, we'll review the seal method of applying plastic strapping manually. PAC Strapping is a leading manufacturer of many different types of seals for plastic strapping. These can vary depending on width, thickness, and the surface of the seal, either smooth or serrated.
After wrapping the load, squeeze the handle of the tool to lift the holding gripper. Thread the free end of the strap through the back of the tool, allowing approximately 3 inches of overhang from the front of the tool. Wrap the strap around the load. Take the end of the strap still attached to the coil and thread it through the cutter blade and the windlass. Use the tension handle to tighten the strap and reach the desired tension. Place the seal on both straps at the front of the tool. Open the sealer and engage the seal. Close the sealer and crimp the seal. Squeeze the handle, automatically cutting the strap. Remove the tool by twisting to the right. Load the proper seal, an HSS4 or HSS5, in the proper slot on the tool. After wrapping the load, bring the straps together, making sure that the free end of the strap is on the bottom and the end still attached to the coil is on the top. Squeeze the handle. Thread the bottom strap through the seal and under both the cutter and the holding gripper. Release the handle. Thread the top strap through the seal, through the cutter, and into the windlass. Tension the strap to the desired level using the right hand tensioning lever. Engage the sealer lever by pushing it all the way forward. Squeeze the handle, automatically cutting the strap. Remove the tool by twisting to the right.
The use of a seal will improve joint efficiency, generally in the range of 60 to 75% of the overall break strength of the strapping. The final method of applying plastic strapping manually is with a friction weld. Friction weld is done with either a battery tool or a pneumatic tool, and this is a result of taking the top and the bottom strap and rubbing them together at a high rate of speed. This friction creates heat, which melts the two pieces of strapping together. PAC strapping has many options in the friction weld category. In the next two videos, you will see two types of battery tools that are used to apply strapping manually using a friction weld. The first video will be of the PAC Strapping BT tool, which is a great tool for many general purpose packaging applications and fits into most budgets. The second tool will be a From P331 tool, which we recommend for high tension applications such as lumber and other building products. The use of a friction weld tool will improve joint efficiency significantly, generally in the 80 to 85% range of the overall break strength of the strap. I want to thank you for taking the time today to view our video on how to apply plastic strapping manually. As you can see, there are many different options.